Hello everyone. So welcome you all to Ashok Tutorials Meghalaya's first MTech channel. So my dear friends, today in this video we are going to learn mathematics for LP section, and the topic we have here is methods of teaching mathematics through games, puzzles and play activities. So mathematics is a very interesting subject provided you understand mathematics, you have a clear concept and you have good teachers, then only you will find that mathematics is full of fun. Mathematics you will enjoy, and mathematics is a very interesting subject. All right, so here mathematics is not like something you will teach only in the classroom. You can teach mathematics outside the classroom, inside the classroom, in the playground, in the field, everywhere. Maths is everywhere, right? In the market, in the corridor, in your house, in your mobile phone, it's everywhere, right? So that's why mathematics is very interesting. So there are different ways which teachers can adapt in order to teach mathematics. So some of the ways can be games, puzzles and play activities. All right, now you see, teaching mathematics through games, puzzles, and play activities can make the subject more engaging and enjoyable for students. So, this is the reason why mathematics can be taught through different ways and it becomes very interesting and enjoyable for the learners. Alright. So, here we have mathematics through games. So, how are we going to teach mathematics through games, or what are the different type of games which we can make use of in order to teach mathematics or learn mathematics? Let's see. So we have games like board games, all right, board games. So we have games like Monopoly or chess involve strategic thinking and mathematical concepts like counting, probability, and geometry. For instance, in Monopoly, players calculate range and manage finances. See, so here games are given like Monopoly or chess. We all love to play chess, right? Black and white. So we have king, we have queen, we have castle, we have soldiers, right? So all those things we have, and we love to play chess and also a game called Monopoly. So these games are very interesting because it improves your critical thinking powers, logical reasoning, and also it improves your concept. All right, so that's why these are some games which improves your mathematical thinking. Now, card games, card like Uno or blackjack, it require players to use addition, subtraction and probability to make decision during the game. For example, in Uno, players match numbers and colors. See, there are different cards. We in generally we call it as tash, right? Tash or cards. So there are also another cards like Uno. Uno is a very beautiful card. I also love to play Uno, and I also have Uno cards in my house, and I enjoy it, and I believe you all will also enjoy. So in while playing cards, we make use of mathematics in a way like in addition, in subtraction, in probability, like what will the probability, another number, another color. So we make use of that. All right, so also another, we have online maths game. So educational websites and apps offer interactive math games that cover various topics such as cool math games or pro dg. These games provide immediate feedback and adapt to the student's skill level. See, it does not mean that mathematics learning should only be on offline. It can also be online. So here few apps are given or websites are given which you can follow and you can see for yourself, right? Now we have mathematics through puzzle. So how are we going to learn mathematics through the use of puzzle? See, we all know Sudoku, right? We love to solve Sudoku in newspapers, in magazines, right? So Sudoku puzzle teach logical reasoning, pattern recognition, and deductive thinking. Students fill in the grid with numbers according to specific rules. See, Sudoku, many of us we know how to play, many of us we don't know how to play. So if you are interested, you can learn, all right, because it is going to help your logical thinking power. It is going to help you to recognize the patterns and also help in your deductive thinking. All right, crossword puzzles. See, we also love to play crossword puzzles, right? Both are available in magazines also and in newspapers also. Crosswords with mathematical clues encourage vocabulary development and problem solving skills. Clues might involve algebraic terms or geometric concepts. So crosswords also helps in mathematical learning, all right, because it encourages vocabulary development and also problem solving skills in the learner, all right? And it can also help you or aid you in learning geometry and algebra. Now we have maths riddles. See, riddles we all love, right? So math riddles challenge students to apply mathematical principles creatively. For example, I am a three digit number. My tens digit is 5 more than my ones digit. My 100 digit is 8 less than my tens digit. What am I? What number am I? So you solve it for yourself. So these things are riddles, right? Now another thing we have here is mathematics through play activity. So we can also learn mathematics while we play. But how? Lego maths. Students can use Lego block to explore concepts like fractions, area, and volume. They can create geometric shapes or build models with specific dimensions. All right. So this also you can try to find out yourself in Google, and you can learn how to play and how it helps in your learning of mathematical concepts like the fractions, the areas, and the volume, right? The math scavenger hunt. Organize a scavenger hunt where students solve math problems to find hidden clues or treasure. For example, provide equations with solutions that corresponds to specific locations. See, this is going to be very interesting game if you know how to play. All right, math scavenger hunt. So it's like a treasure hunt type of game, right, where something will be hidden and you will be given clues and you have to follow the clues in order to reach your destination. All right, math art projects. Encourage students to create art using mathematical patterns and concepts. They can design tessellations, fractal art, or symmetry based artwork. So you can also encourage the students in learning mathematics by using creative methods like uh, you know tessellations or fractal art or symmetry based learning. So if you don't know what is tessellation, then you can just Google it and find it for yourself, right? Now we have interactive learning apps and tools. See, now everything is online, right? We have different websites, different apps where we can learn maths, chemistry, physics, biology. Everything is available online, right? So one of those is Kahoot. What is Kahoot? This interactive quiz platform allows teachers to create math quizzes that students can play as a class. It promotes healthy competition and engagement. So teachers can make use of this app and create different type of mathematical questions and ask the learners to solve them. All right. Then we have Desmos. Desmos is an online graphing calculator and activity builder that helps students visualize mathematical concepts. Teacher can create interactive lessons and simulations. See, Desmos is also an online graphical graphing calculator, right? And it helps in building, all right, activity building that helps students to visualize the mathematical concepts and understand and comprehend it in a better way, right? Now real world application. So supermarket math. Take students on a field trip to supermarket where they can calculate prices, discount, and practice budgeting. Now see, if you are a teacher and if you want to teach the students about mathematics, you can just take them to the market and ask them to buy something and bargain and discount there, and there they will learn like what is the profit they made, what is the percentage of discount they got, and how much they have negotiated, all those things, right? This is a practical knowledge, market knowledge. All right, cooking and baking. Use cooking and baking recipes to teach fractions, ratios, and measurements. For example, having or doubling a recipe require understanding fractions. Yes, so cooking and baking. So in order to cook something or bake something, cake and all, we have to calculate how much maida will be required, how much this color will be required, the chocolates will be required, the eggs will be required, right? All those things we have to measure, and then only we have to apply so that the product we get is a genuine one. Now maths competitions and challenges. Math olympiads. Encourage students to participate in math competitions like the math olympiad. These challenges fosters problem solving skills and critical thinking. So math olympiad can be organized by the teachers, and this in fact will help the students in problem solving, adapting to problem solving skills, and also critical thinking. All right, now collaborative learning. See, collaboration, by the word itself, collaboration, you understand it means to collaborate with something or somebody. So maths team. Form small maths team where students collaborate to solve challenging problems. This promotes teamwork and exposes students to different problem solving approaches. So maths team means we can group the students into two or four and form maths team where students can collaborate with one another. They can solve each other's problem and they can learn and teach one another. All right, hands-on manipulatives. So base 10 block. Use physical base 10 blocks to teach place value addition and subtraction. These manipulative make abstract concept concrete. Yes, we all know that students, they learn better best when they feel the thing, when they touch the thing, when they are tactile learners, and also when students are involved in the process of teaching and learning, then that is the best way when the students can learn. All right, so that's why we should make sure that we make use of concrete objects and not only the abstract, right? So that the students can touch, feel, and then only they can learn, right? So make sure of that. Now, last point we have, remember that the effectiveness of these methods may vary depending on the age and proficiency level of the students. This the key is to make math enjoyable, relatable, and accessible, fostering a positive attitude towards the subject. See, we all hate mathematics, right? We fear from mathematics. We don't like mathematics. We hate mathematics. We hate maths teacher. But if you understand, if you find it enjoying, engaging, and enjoyable, then you are going to enjoy mathematics like anything. You know, mathematics is the most interesting subject provided you understand, provided your teacher knows how to teach you mathematics. If you don't like the teacher, you will not like the subject, right? So that's why it depends on you, and it also depends on how a person is making use of mathematics in their daily lives, in their regular lives, and how they are developing their critical thinking skill, logical thinking skill, reasoning skills, and all, right? So I think this is all in this video. So thank you everyone for watching.